invent them a little bit if you if you need to invent them for, then again, maximum impact. You can't, listen guys, you are here, you look at that, but you have to have a synthesis. There is, from the subject to you and to the painting, this is a transformation. It's obsolete pretending to get bogged down in superficialities. You don't paint superficialities, you see what I mean? What is the thing? The thing is the light, shadows, big brush shadows in the foreground, shadows bouncing on the buildings at the back. The whole idea about your painting, you are searching for maximum impact. Bam! You see what I mean? So you cannot simply say, oh, well, there's another shadow there. You see what I mean? So, how to do it? And then suddenly there is a red Volkswagen passing. Quickly, I have to draw the... No, you don't think like this. You always, you look at the subject, you make your own interpretation, you make a whole synthesis of it, and off you go. See what I mean? Is that... You